Wow guys, 50 million views on a YouTube short patch plug video. Unbelievable. Just wanted to clear up a couple things. You know, everybody said your work area is disgusting. This is not my work area. This is just where I have to go and work when I'm doing tires, which unfortunately you have to do at some point. This is my work area, which I try to sweep it at least once a day when I'm done. You go one bay over, you'll see messes like this left by other mechanics. Not my problem. My trash can gets empty when it's full, unlike other ones in the shop. This is not my toolbox. This is my toolbox, which I take pride in keeping it organized. Not necessarily clean, but organized. See, I got a lot of dust buildup and everything. So, you know, the tire station doesn't have anything to do with my workstation. Caught a lot of hate for clamping an alloy wheel on the inside. Listen, these are so worn out that they don't even put marks in alloy wheels anymore. They do sell protectors for these too, but you guys aren't wrong. However, that was a Hyundai wheel and it wasn't in perfect condition to begin with. If I'm doing a wheel on a new car or anything that's not curb rashed or already damaged, any high-end vehicles, always clamp from the inside. However, these plastic inserts are starting to get worn out anyway, so the steel actually hit on this. We gotta get new inserts on this. Anyway, just wanted to make this quick video to show you that this is not how I keep my workstation. This is how the tire guys keep their workstation, and I unfortunately have to work in it too. And if I spent the time to clean this today and get it all pristine, they would just destroy it again within several, you know, a week, let's say. So, not my problem. I only come in, work on cars, and then unfortunately I have to do tires. I do want to thank everybody for the positive comments though, and the 50 million views, and future video coming out on whether it makes a difference if you like the vulcanizing cement on fire or not to get rid of the evaporative emissions and the solvents in it. So, you know, till then, I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and shout out to Golden Block Brewery. Check them out if you're ever out in Colorado and Silverton.